Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you the quick 4-step skincare routine which would help you to reduce and tighten your pores and give you a more brighten up skin, where you at the end of this interesting 4-step routine will get a rejuvenated skin from a dull one. All the products I will be using for this routine are from Wow Skin Science India. Every product will be mentioned in my description if I happen to miss to mention in here. First step, you have to chill and relax and get rid of all that waterproof makeup or all the pollution on your skin with the help of a cleansing. Now to remove all this, I'm using the coconut micellar water from Wow Skin Science. So it will help you to remove all the makeup or no makeup and get rid of all the dirt, pollution and the strongest waterproof makeup you have. Try to get rid of all the makeup, that is the kajal and the mascara too. Don't miss them and don't forget your neck. All the Wow products are free from parabens, sulfate, mineral oils and color. And yes, they are completely chemical free and these products are completely made up of natural ingredients. So you can see this micellar water helps me to get rid of all the waterproof makeup, the strongest mascara and the strongest liner with the kajal itself. So go slowly, don't be harsh on your skin and just gently remove all the dirt and all the waterproof makeup you have it on your face. It's a very relaxation time. Give that 20 minutes to yourself and you will have the best skin at the end of this interesting 4-step skincare routine. As you can see, just by removing everything with the help of a micellar water, not a single drop of makeup or dirt is left on my face. Always double cleanse. So step 2 is double cleansing with a foaming cleanser. Now here I am using the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Brightening Face Cleanser. Now which suits and best suited to all skin type, and it isn't very harsh on the skin and it doesn't even dry out your skin after you are done with your cleansing. I have been using this Wow Vitamin C Cleanser which is best made for combination too oily, too dry, too sensitive, and it really moisturizes your skin and nourishes your skin and works on the acne marks or blemishes, or if you are into your aging, it works on your aging also as an anti-aging product because it has lemon and orange extract. All the Wow products are dermatologically tested. They are cruelty free, 100% vegan, and if you're not aware, they are born from Himalayas. So yes, all the natural ingredients when come together make a wonderful product and it have been working absolutely wonderful. I've done a dedicated review on these products on my channel. Now comes the star of this routine, a good face mask. So today I will be using this chocolate caffeine face mask by Wow Skin Science. And yes, this is the one which will change your pore game and give you a brighten up skin. It consists of cocoa butter, caffeine and cocoa powder and bentonite. This will cost you $4.99 and you get 200 ml of product. Yes, again, as I mentioned, Wow products are chemical free, so it doesn't have any kind of parabens. Now, yes, it has very interesting ingredients. The first one is caffeine. Now, caffeine, it works as an antioxidant, which works to clear and give you a more soften and repair skin. Bentonite is more of a volcanic ash clay that draws out all the impurities and boosts blood circulation in the skin. And cocoa butter restores elasticity, nourishes and smoothens the skin. All in all the ingredients when worked together on your facial skin, gives you that nice rejuvenated, brighten up skin, giving you a more firmer look. Now it comes in a very nice tub form, and you get a separate applicator also to apply the face pack gently on your face. The best part, it comes with this applicator which is silicone based, which doesn't poke you while applying the face pack. So it's a well thought product, and yes, well made. Now what all benefits you would get with this product? Before that, why not we see how to apply the product on our face. So you just need a tad bit of product, apply the product evenly on your face with the help of the spatula they have given in the box. And I must tell you, the scent of it is amazing. It will just remind you of a nice chocolate cookie, which is not overpowering, but it is subtle. You will definitely crave to eat one cookie at this point. And this scent itself give you a more relaxed feeling, and yes, it's not too much, so it is not going to damage your skin in any way. Now, as I was saying, benefits, what benefits you can get out of this face pack. It repairs if you have any skin issues, so it really works on the skin which is damaged. It removes tan, it refines your pores and tighten them. As I said, this whole 4-step skincare routine is to work on your pores. So yes, I do hear you girls. A lot of you have been coming back and telling me what should we do for our pores. This is one step you should include in your skincare routine weekly twice, and you will see some amazing results on your face. And yes, it reduces puffiness and give you a more youthful sheen on your skin. All in all, if you get this face pack, it will definitely give you more refined skin, and yes, it does work on your pores and make you look more firmer with your skin. So yes, all in all, a wonderful product, a 10 on 10 face mask. This is my second purchase by Wow and absolutely love. Now you just have to sit back and relax for some time and give yourself a little relaxation time. Don't bother yourself. So as I mentioned earlier, all the products I happen to use so far, all skin type, and this face pack you can use twice a week, which will cost you $4.99, and you get 200 ml of product. So yes, these are some interesting products which can do wonderful things to your skin. Now I bought all of my Wow products from Wow app, and yes, I did avail this offer, buy two get one free. So yes, I did save a lot of money on my purchase. So I remember getting two products free altogether. I did make separate orders. So yes, my face pack dried down, and now I will gently remove my face pack with the help of this sponge. Again, if you don't have this sponge, you can just wash it off with water. Since I was sitting in front of the camera, I wanted to show you how it looks when you initially remove the pack. You will not see any kind of redness or itchiness or any kind of irritation on my skin. And the best part about this face pack is that it doesn't dry out your skin. Even after the face pack, you can just straight away go to the bed and sleep off. But my advice would be go in with a good serum or a moisturizer, whatever you love for your skin. But I will be going ahead with a good serum. So this is how my skin looks after the face pack. It's clean and softer looking. Next up is vitamin C serum. I like to apply the serum in the afternoon time and just go to bed. This does the magic. It works as a more of an anti-aging serum, and it works on your aging. It gives you enough moisturization because it has hyaluronic acid. So yes, being vitamin C serum, it's not going to dry out your skin. Gently massage and pat. This is the easiest 4-step skincare routine which you can do twice a week, and you will end up with nice, brighten up, rejuvenated skin, and simultaneously you will see some reduced pores and firmer skin. I hope you loved watching this small, in-depth 4-step skincare routine which will help you to get rid of your huge pores. And yes, I will be leaving down everything in my description if you want to grab anything for yourself. I have done full dedicated reviews on all the products I happen to show you in this skincare routine. But all in all, this is how my skin looks. This filming is done in natural light so that you can see my skin very much clearly. So yes, if you want rejuvenated, glowing skin, do these 4 steps and I bet you will thank me later. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.